Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting basic prerequisites out of the way so input works reliably. Plug a wired keyboard and mouse into the Xbox USB ports, or pair a compatible wireless adapter. Once connected, go to Xbox settings and enable keyboard and mouse support. You do this because the console must recognize human interface devices before the game can accept them. Once done, launch Marvel Rivals and check the in-game input settings. Make sure keyboard and mouse is selected so controls map correctly. You now move into detailed configuration so gameplay feels natural. Open Marvel Rivals controls and choose keyboard and mouse, then remap critical actions like ability keys and melee to comfortable locations. Adjust mouse sensitivity and aim smoothing. Calibrate dead zone for consistent stick-to-mouse feel, because console aim assistance can interact with mouse input. Once adjusted, test movement, aiming, and ability timing in a training session or solo match. Make incremental tweaks until you finish by locking in settings and addressing common failures so sessions stay smooth. Save your preset, and if the game supports it, export or backup keybinds, then play a few full rounds to confirm consistency. If you encounter lag, first reconnect devices and switch USB ports, then try a powered hub or reduce mouse polling rate. These steps fix most latency sources. If input disappears, restart the game and console. Finally, reinstall firmware or drivers for any third-party wireless adapters to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.